Hey, Renox29 here. I'm going to show you tricks on Gabasoft cubes.
Oh, you want to get big? Come on, Kevin! What? Because if you bring the phone, you want a big cello.
A 4x on the 5x5.
What is one? It's the one where you fall in the face.
So
if you miss the ball, you want a big cello. You missed the ball, you want a
here it goes. This is a trick called double pull.
If you miss two, you want a big missy trouble.
There. There. Here it is. I'm going to show you a trick on this 7x7. Like this. Right on front, red on top, and blue on the left. Bring that down. Substitute it with the blue. Bring the red up and back over. There you have a 3x5 block. Now I need a 3x2 block. So bring these two down, substitute it with the blue, bring them up, and bring it over here. There. Now, do this. Bring those over. Now, 1x2 block. There. Now, bring it over here, substitute it with the white, bring it over here and back up. And you have it on every side. Hold it like this and it'll be a great one for Valentine's Day. Now I'll do one for Halloween. You need white in front, green on top, and orange on the right. Now, bring this down, substitute it with the orange, bring it back up, bring them over. Do the same thing over here, but with one, and voila. Now, that one, bring them down. Substitute, bring it back, bring it up. Now, that brings it, substitute those three with green, bring over, wait, substitute it, bring it over. Oops! I was going to press undo, but I did that. Okay. Remember, hold it like this. Hold it like this. Then. Oops. There. Now, substitute with, bring them back over and bring them back up. Again, I will do undo. There. Okay, again.
But, see, that's my favorite.
Sorry, this is bad quality. Sorry that it's bad quality. I'm sorry about the bad quality. Now, bring the 2 layers under the green thing over of orange. Bring these down. Bring the orange back to its normal spot and bring the green back up. There. Now, do the same thing, but with only the 3 bottom. The 3 middle. Now, bring that, bring them down, and voila, pumpkin on every side. This one's the real one. It works best with a V-Cube 7, because this is the pumpkin, and the black is the dark sky. It's in this pitch black sky. But I'm sorry about the bad quality. For you, the orange looks like red orange. I'm going to show you a trick on the 4x4. There, checkerboard. I'll show you it again. There, checkerboard. On only 4 sides.
This is my worst one. Yellow is my worst. This one is the most. And it would be this one.
What? Well, bye.